So for this take and make kits, we are making a Thanksgiving turkey party favor. So what you can do is make this and put in, like I've seen Kit Kat bars or some other type of party favor inside this pocket, which is actually an old library pocket square, and you decorate it like a turkey. So we've got our library pocket square, we've got our turkey body, some eyeballs, googly eyes, we've got some leaves, we have 3 leaves, and then we have the shapes for the part of the turkey. And sometimes we'll provide extra in case you lose a piece with the kit. So the first thing you need to do is glue on the turkey. Turkey body, I should say. Try to place it in the middle somewhere. I would do it up a little bit just so that you can fit thanks underneath it. Press that down. Then you can put on the nose. Oops. Press that on toward the bottom, like this. And now you will need some scissors, and I just cut out kind of a squiggly rectangle or squiggly oval. Now you can glue that piece on. I do it right up in the corner here. Next are your eyeballs. So you could use hot glue for some of this. That will stay a little longer than just gluing them down with a glue stick. Totally up to you, whatever you have available at home. I cut around the backing because it is sticky back here, but you can use that to your advantage with the leaves, but I did cut around so that they're not visible on each side, just so that it doesn't show on the other side. And then I just snipped part of the top off. So I peeled it down just a little bit because you don't want it to stick to everything. But that sticky part that is left, the leaves can stick to, and that'll help you when you're securing the leaves. So the last thing you want to do is take your leaves, give them a little glue, and adhere them to the back. And you can kind of tuck them in. You can make it look whatever way you want. Some more glue on there. And I like the fanned out look, so I'm going to put one on this side. Maybe a little lower. And then one on the other side. Okay, and then the final thing to make your party favor stand out is to write a note. It could be thanks, it could be something else. I did use pencil when I first did this, but you can also just eyeball it and write thanks on the front. Freehand. There we go. So that's it. That's our take and make kit called DIY Thanksgiving Turkey Party Favors. And you can set this on your table, give it a little bit of a holiday spirit, put something in it for your guests, and they can take it home with them to enjoy.